So we were working on the composition now, trying to pick out different pieces. I'm going for kind of a travel theme, so I've picked this map. And this is just ripped out of an old atlas. And I picked this, it kind of struck my eye. I like this color green and this kind of a taupe, same color mixed with the blue. And again, it has a nice straight edge. I have a lot of edges still left to be used. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out with the scissors. And kind of, in your subconscious, what looks good to you. Think about the color, the composition, the size, obviously. And if you're giving this as a gift, if you know what kind of person they are, or what they will like and won't like, that will determine a lot of your choices for you. But again, I'm just cutting this real simply. And again, I save all the scraps just in case I need it later. And this is a map of South Africa, I believe, from an old Danish school atlas I found at an old library. It was like $1. So you can find all sorts of weird stuff if you really hunt. Make your collage more interesting.